Want to add new panels to your Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. From your settings menu, tap on the display option, then scroll down to Edge panel, tap on it, and then make sure you toggle it on. Then tap on panels, and here you have different panels. If the one you want is not part of it, you can click on Galaxy Store, and this will take you to the Galaxy Store where you have options of top panels and new panels. You can see each of them, different panels of Edge that can be put on your Edge panel. Download them. Many of them are free. You can download the one you want, and once you've done that, it will be added to your Edge panel options. That's all it takes. That is all it takes to add new panels to your Edge panel. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.